Have you ever wished you could turn your imagination into art without any design skills? Well, now you can, thanks to AI. Creating stunning images, animations, logos, and even 3D designs is just a few clicks away. From generating realistic, anime, even Pixar-style images to creating your own animated worlds, this tool gives you the freedom to explore, experiment, and express like never before. And the best part? It's absolutely free. This isn't just another creative app. It's a gateway to unleashing your imagination. Anyone can do it. You don't need fancy hardware or coding knowledge, just an idea and a spark of curiosity. In this video, I'll introduce you to a powerful free AI tool that turns any thought into an image instantly. So stick around. This could be the start of your creative revolution. To get started, head over to the Recraft AI Image Generator website. Creating a user account is simple. Just click the Get Recraft Free button in the top right corner of the website. You can sign up using your personal email or choose from 3 convenient options. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New project. On the left side of the screen, there's a panel labeled Create New, which includes 6 powerful options. Click on Image option. A workspace appears at the center of the screen. I start by setting the canvas size to 1920 by 1080, which is a standard size for many creative projects. To adjust the canvas's position, I simply click and drag it in any direction for easy navigation. Below the canvas size settings, there's a drop-down list filled with presets and various image generation models. These presets allow you to transform your image into different styles such as vector art, hand-drawn, HDR, bold sketch, black and white, risograph, retropop, pixel art, long shadow. To apply any of these styles, you simply select a preset and click the Apply button. For this session, I choose the Recraft V3 Raw option, which is the latest AI model from Recraft. Next, I turn to the image generation panel, which includes the text box for entering prompts. This is where you type in your prompt, the idea or scene you want the AI to bring to life. So I already have a prompt ready to go. I just right-click and paste it into the text box. Just below the prompt box, there's an aspect ratio option that lets you choose between square, vertical, and horizontal dimensions. This is great for tailoring your images to specific platforms. Since I'm creating content for YouTube, I adjusted to 16:9 ratio, which is perfect for the purpose. Further down, there's an option to choose the number of images generated per session. In the free plan, you're limited to 2 images per session, whereas the paid plans allow for more. Additionally, there are private and public options for your generated images. Keep in mind that in the free plan, all images are public and accessible to others. The private option is only available in the paid plan. With my settings in place, I click the Recraft button to start the process. My request entered the queue, and after a few moments, the images were ready. 2 image thumbnails appear on the screen, and I have to say, the speed is impressive. Just look at that result. It's absolutely stunning, exactly how I imagined. A beautiful young woman with colorful eyes brought to life in vibrant detail. The V3 Raw from Recraft really nailed it. The quality is sharp, professional, and it took just a few seconds to create. It's honestly amazing what this tool can do with just a simple prompt. To download the image, I clicked on the Export option located in the top right corner of the website. In the resolution section, you can specify your desired dimensions for the export. Next, you can choose between 3 file formats: PNG, JPEG, and TIFF. I selected JPEG and the image was downloaded quickly and effortlessly. Now, let's jump back into the Create section. This time, I want to generate something totally different and eye-catching. I am going for that 3D Pixar-style look. Just like before, I right-click and paste my prepared prompt into the text box. Without changing any of the previous settings, I click the Recraft button. After a few moments, Recraft works its magic and 2 new thumbnails appear. And wow, it looks fantastic! The result is seriously impressive. It's packed with vivid colors, soft, smooth details, and has that warm cinematic charm you'd expect from a professional animated film. Recraft really brings your imagination to life in such a creative way. Now it's time to explore some of the other image generation models that Recraft has to offer. I have got another prompt ready, so I right-click and paste it into the text box just like before. This time, I clicked on the Style drop-down menu and selected the Photorealism preset. With everything set, I click the Recraft button. After a short wait, 2 new image thumbnails appear on the screen. I click on one to open it in full view. And wow! What I see is a striking black and white portrait full of depth and emotion. The details are incredible. The fine lines, the texture of the wrinkles, the intensity of the gaze. It's not just a picture, it's a masterpiece, and it was created in seconds with the help of the Recraft photorealism model. Now, let's see if it's possible to create logos using this AI tool. To test this, I prepared a textual prompt specifically for a logo and pasted it into the text box. I then clicked on the Style drop-down menu and selected the preset Recraft V3 Raw. Without changing any of the previous settings, I clicked the Recraft button. My request entered the queue, and after a few moments, the logo images were ready. Here's the standout point. The words and letters in the generated logos were displayed correctly. A rare achievement for many AI models, even well-known ones. This gives Recraft a clear edge in handling text accurately in logo designs. The logos themselves were very interesting and creative, and I can see even more potential if we refine and improve the prompt further. With a little tweaking, the results could go from great to extraordinary. This test definitely shows that creating professional-looking logos is entirely possible with Recraft AI. Now, let's explore the details of the free plan. Here's what you get: 50 free credits every day. These credits are automatically recharged daily, so you'll always have fresh opportunities to create. Images you generate in the free plan are stored publicly. If you want the option to keep your images private, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The free plan allows you to generate up to 2 images at a time, while paid plans let you create up to 4 images in one go. One of the best things about the free plan is that you can explore Recraft AI tools without spending a dime. Create stunning images, bring your ideas to life, and see what the platform can do. If you're impressed with its features and quality, you can always upgrade to a paid plan later, starting at just $10 per month. I hope my tests and reviews have helped you get a solid understanding of what Recraft AI's image generator can do. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't wait. Smash that like button and share this video with your friends. We've gone all out to bring you this content, so now it's your turn to show some love. And don't forget, tons of unique AI tutorials are coming your way soon. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a thing. AI is changing the world. And the big question is, do you want to just watch or do you want to be part of the revolution? The next tutorial is going to blow your mind. Stay tuned.